Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect two monitors to a Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. This is gonna be sort of dependent on which ports, which exact model you have, because there are several models of the Dynabook Tecra. But in my case, on the left side it has the HDMI and two Thunderbolt ports, and all three of them can support video output. So let me show you that. Here we can see the two Thunderbolt ports, which also act as USB-C. And then there is also the HDMI. And all of these ports do support video output. And that means that up to 3 external displays can be plugged into this laptop, including the built-in screen. You can have 4 monitors. So you just need to connect one monitor to one of the port, the other one to the other port. And if you really want, you can get an adapter that goes from one HDMI to 2 HDMIs, but this will not work as like different monitors. It will just duplicate the screen on both of them, so they will display the same image. So in most use cases it just doesn't make any sense, and it's pointless to have these types of adapters. So it's just better to connect 2 monitors to 2 separate ports on your laptop. And I'm gonna connect one of the monitors, the one on the right, with the USB-C adapter. This is the adapter. You can see here I have the HDMI plugged in, and it's going to the USB-C or Thunderbolt. Then the one on the left, I'm gonna connect with the HDMI port. And as you can see now on the right monitor, there is the exact same image being displayed as on my main one. And on the left one, we have something else. You can see we don't have the icons and stuff. And as I open any window, I can, actually you can see I can move the cursor around different monitors. But I recommend first clicking on Windows and P on your keyboard. So these 2 buttons at once, and then go to More Display Settings. And here we can set up our displays. And most probably you will want them to all be extended. So each of the displays displays a different image. And in order to do it, just if you have something like this, when 2 monitors have the same image and there's the third one that has a different one, click on the one that has like 2 numbers on them. Then select Extend Desktop. And now I'm gonna keep the changes. You can see everything is now set like that. I'm gonna click on Identify to know which monitor is which one. And as I can see, the arrangement is actually now correct. So the third monitor is here and it's on the left. But if it's not correct in your case, you can just drag it like that. For example, you can really do anything. I'm gonna move them just a bit up so they will feel more natural, and I'm gonna apply it. Then, as you can see, I can just take, for example, this window, move it to that other monitor, or move it to the monitor number 2, which is on the right side, and I can move my cursor between all of these monitors, and that all works pretty great. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.